AI lawsuits to M&A dominance, we have got a fast-paced rundown of what's driving the global financial conversation. Here are the top headlines of the day. Our first story pits one of the world's biggest tech giants against a fast-rising AI startup. Amazon has filed a lawsuit against Perplexity AI, the artificial intelligence company behind a popular conversational search platform, accusing it of using its tools to help users purchase items directly from Amazon's marketplace without authorization. The case goes beyond just shopping. It could set a major precedent for what's known as agentic AI, artificial intelligence systems that can perform real-world tasks autonomously, from making purchases to booking travel. Amazon says this practice violates its terms of services and could mislead consumers, while Perplexity argues it's simply innovating on how users interact with e-commerce platforms. The outcome could reshape how AI systems integrate with online retail and who controls the future of automated shopping. Across the Pacific, Japan's largest automaker is feeling the sting of trade tensions. Toyota Motor Corporation reported a 7% drop in profits for the April to September period, earning 1.77 trillion yen or about $11.5 billion, down from 1.9 trillion a year ago. The decline comes as President Donald Trump's sweeping global tariffs hit Japanese automakers, making exports to the US more expensive. Despite the setback, Toyota remains optimistic, raising its full-year forecast thanks to solid domestic sales and ongoing cost-cutting efforts. But analysts warn that prolonged trade frictions and pressure supply chains and dampen profits across the entire Japanese auto industry. Meanwhile, it's been another turbulent week for cryptocurrency investors. Bitcoin dropped another 2.6% on Wednesday, falling to just above $102,000, extending a week-long slide that's wiped nearly 10% of its value. At one point, the world's largest cryptocurrency even slipped below the 100,000 mark before rebounding slightly. Analysts attribute the losses to large-scale liquidations, tightening global liquidity, and investors taking profit after months of gains. Altcoins mirrored the fall, reinforcing a broader risk of sentiment in crypto markets. Still, despite the pullback, Bitcoin remains one of the year's best-performing assets, a reminder that volatility cuts both ways in the digital economy. And finally, on a brighter note for the region, the UAE has cemented its position as the MENA leader in mergers and acquisitions this year. According to the latest EY MENA M&A Insights report, the UAE recorded 171 inbound deals worth a total of $29 billion in the first 9 months of 2025, the highest in both volume and value across the Middle East and North Africa. The report credits the performance to sustained investor confidence, policy reforms, and a strong macroeconomic outlook. Overall, MENA deal-making rose 23% year-on-year, reaching nearly $70 billion across 649 transactions. Analysts say this momentum underscores how the UAE continues to serve as the region's business gateway, attracting capital, talent, and transformative partnerships. So that's all in Finance Pulse for today. Follow the Finance 360 for more.